Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Squarespace for SEO, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin optimizing your Squarespace website for SEO, log into your Squarespace account. Select the website you wish to optimize from your dashboard. Once you're on your site, navigate to the settings menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll down and click on SEO. In this section, you'll find options to add your site title and site description. Make sure your site title includes relevant keywords that represent your brand. Your site description should be concise and informative, incorporating keywords naturally. Next, return to the main settings menu and click on Marketing. Here, you'll find the option for SEO again. Enable search engine indexing to allow search engines to find your site. Now, let's add SEO titles and descriptions to individual pages. Go to the Pages section on the left. Select a page you want to optimize and click on it. In the page editor, go to the SEO tab. Enter a unique SEO title and description that accurately reflect the content of that page. Next, optimize your images by clicking on the image block. Add descriptive alt text for each image, using keywords where appropriate. Now, let's optimize your blog posts if you have any. Go to the blog section and select a post. In the post editor, scroll to the SEO settings. Similar to pages, enter relevant SEO titles and descriptions. Next, focus on your site's URL structure. In the Pages menu, you can customize the URL slug for each page. Keep it short and include important keywords. Now, return to the Settings menu and click on Domains. Ensure you're using a custom domain for better SEO performance. After setting up your domain, it's crucial to add internal links throughout your content. This helps both users and search engines navigate your site more effectively. As you create new content, keep an eye on external linking as well. Link to reputable sources that provide additional value to your audience. Finally, regularly check your website's performance using tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.